So here is another one of these stand fans I just found. I don't know what the brand of this one is. It could have been the Amazon Basics, Cosway, or I don't know. It can't be the Honeywell, but these fans are also produced for Honeywell fans. But yeah, this was recently found, and the controls on this thing are messed up, and you'll see how. So I'm gonna switch it on here. Yeah, as you can see, it just did that. The oscillator function doesn't work. I can't make it. Yeah, still on stationary. It's doing all these crazy things. It just was not in the airflow. You can hear it speeding up, speeding down. Something is not right, but beforehand the bearings were a bit stiff, so I oiled it, and I thought that might have been the problem. But I did not think this thing would still work. So I'm testing it out right now, and I see the issues it has, and it's probably involving the motherboard inside. So I'm not gonna mess with that. But now it's just stopped. This thing won't shut off for some reason. Oh, what? Okay, I guess it has that breeze mode or something. I don't know what mode this is, but this thing is messed up, as I said before. I cannot make it oscillate whatsoever. But yeah, this band has issues, so the most thing I'm just going to do with it is part it out for something. As for example, I'm going to use that front motor shell, and the rear motor shell I don't think so, because it's not compatible with other fans. I might save the blade set for just in case I make another one of these generic fans. The base, I'm gonna use it for another fan as well. But yeah, I'm just going to shut it off. And this thing won't comply. Alright, there we go. I spin down timing. That's decent spin down for such a modern fan. It's not badly made. It's quite decent. These blades, they may seem floppy, but they're not. They have decent amount of pitch, but they're flat. Kind of. I don't know what the purpose of the front blade set is for, because it pretty much has no pitch to it. But oh well. That's the dual bladed generic fan that I just got. And thanks for watching.